All right, guys, second function video is a big one. So it's gonna be a little longer, but if you pay attention and practice, you're gonna be fine. First thing you have to know is we have to know y equals mx plus b. Some of us did not know that. The slope here is 1/3. The b or the y-intercept is 5/6. So we have to know that. This right here cannot be something that we get wrong. Okay. They're asking for the y-intercept. We got to get these things right. They ask about the slope. It's in front of the x, the coefficient. If we get these wrong, you're not doing your part. Okay. Simple as that. First thing you have to do there. Now, we got to figure out slope, right? This is a hill that has zero slope. Okay. So it's positive, negative, zero, or undefined. If it's flat, it's zero. Okay. If it's not, it's undefined. Okay. We can do rise over run if we need it. Got to know those two. We know this is negative. So I know it's not zero undefined. So I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I go over 1, 2, 3, 4. Up 8 over 4. That reduces to 2, and it's negative is your answer. Okay. Got to be able to do that. Okay. Now you can plot these on the table on Desmos. So if I were to half, oh no, because you're not, okay, we can't. So you can plot this because you're not graphing calculator, but okay, the slope of the line is going to be the rise over run. So you got to plot these 2 points and see what is rise over run, or you're going to go up 4, okay, and we're going to go to the left 1 because we're going to start at 24 and go up, and we're going to go from 4 to 3. This will make it a negative. Up 4 over 1 is going to be -4. This could be wrong, but I did not plot them. Okay, got it right because I'm a G. Here, I'm going to go from 15, up 7 over -1. Up 7 over -1, that's going to be -7. Plot them. Up 7, 2 to 1, up 7. Plot them. Plot them. Okay. Now, here, okay, you got to plot your points. So I know my B is here, and I go up 1 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's how you're on graph. Okay. M and B. Start at the B, go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, and I'm making a fraction by going over 1. Okay. Gotta practice. Gotta practice. Slope is 1/3. B is 3, positive 3, up 1 over 3. There's our line. Gotta be able to do it. It's a big boy. Okay. We got to see inputs, outputs, X's and Y's. So here I go over 5, and right here, the X is 5 and the Y is 0. So my output is 0. You got to be able to read a line on order pairs. Tables are order pairs. Here, I want to know 3. So I go over 3, I go up, and that's 5. 3, 5. We go right or left, then up or down. So that's 5, and we put it in there. We got to be able to put in a table. Okay. Couple more. Oh man. Okay. Using the formula. Okay. My D is 1. She just dropped something. Okay. Now I plug that in. So 1 times 7 is 7. 2 times 7 is 14. So we have to be able to put things in. You could use your calculator. Okay. I'm going to put T in as the input. 2 times 8 is 10. We have to be able to do these things. 8D. So I have 2 times D is 16. Okay. I did not. Oh, and 3. Then 3 times D is 24. It won't let you put them in, right? So we got to be able to do these. Okay. Here, I know that we have a table. I have an equation. So the input is going to be added to 5. And that's going to give me my Y. So the input 0, I add 5. There's my order pair. I go 2 plus 5, that's 7. I go 3 plus 5, that's 8. I do 3 plus, or to me, 4 plus 5 is 9. And you see your pattern at this point. We don't have to do it because it's a pattern. And I could graph those points 0, right or left 0, up 5. I'm going to go 2. I'm going to go 2 now. Okay. And I'm going to go up 7. And there's my 2 points. And you only need 2 points to graph. Okay. Got to be able to do it. This is a huge one, right? But there's 3 problems that test NAP problems. Got to know this. That was the first thing we do. If we don't know this, you are not ready for the SOL because you are behind middle school math. Simple as that. Y equals mx plus b. Make sure you're in the right thing. Okay. Now, that's your answer. Gotta know it. We have to know, we did that one before. Okay. Here is something X influences Y. So we're selling candy bars to raise money. Okay. So the more candy bars we sell, the more money. So do the amount of candy bars, okay, influence the amount of money we make? Or does the amount of money we make influence the number of candy bars we sell? The first one is what sounds right, and it's X influences Y. If you remember from the first video, X is the independent. So it's the number of candy bars, the independent, influences the dependent. Okay, so we're asking for the independent. So we're saying the number of candy bars sold is going to do that. Okay, there's IXL. We got to be able to do that. Last one is knowing this translation, right? Translation. So I know 2 6/10. So I know it's going to be 2 6/10. Okay, you got to be able to build that times a number X plus 5. Plus 5 is Y. Okay, so I know that's Y. So when I plug things in, I know X has to be 2. And when it's 2, it's not 5.2. It's 10.2. It's not 15.2, not 18. So that tells me that that is the function because I did. It's that simple. This is a long one. Ask questions. We have 2 days to break this down. We got this. But if you're not watching the videos, you're not doing your part. Watch the videos, do your part.